So this is the main window of ICCAP. When we go to this option, create model, we click it. So this is the file generated. We edit it. So this new window pops up. Now this is our workspace. So here we have multiple options: file, edit, measure, extract, simulate, optimize, data, tools, macros, windows, help. You can explore these later. This is uh, like these tabs you need to get familiarized with. So this is DUT setup option. This is the circuit option. Here you can mention the global circuit which will be applicable across all the DUTs you create here. So this is model parameters option. So whatever parameters you will be using in this circuit and mentioning there, so they will be listed out here. Then we have this model variables option. So here we specify the simulator we are using, and then there is macros option. So in model variables option, we need to specify what simulator we will be using for our work. So here you write simulator and then you mention HSPICE. So for different simulators, you need to mention their specific names here. And this way, ICCAP will understand which simulator you want to use. Now we start with creating a DUT. So I click it, add DUT. So suppose we give it a name like DUT1. Okay. So now we have this DUT. Here we mention the Verilog A file or the compact model file which we want to invoke here. Then we mention here in the same way we do for the HSPICE netlist, that is mentioning of a component using component name like X1. And after X1, we need to mention the number of nodes we are having in that particular compact model file, that Verilog A file. So suppose we have drain, gate, source, bulk. So we have four nodes. So we will write 1 is equal to drain, 2 is equal to gate, 3 is equal to bulk, and so on. And then we provide some MOS name. And later on, in the next line, we mention dot model and then the names followed by a module name. Later on, it will be followed by the mentioning of parameters we want to use. So let me show you. So for HSpice, the syntax is hash echo dot hdl. Then we mention the Verilog A file. So here I will mention a Verilog A file. For the time being, I'm just showing you what all needs to be mentioned here. So this is for the component we want to use. So the MOSFET I have given name X1. 1 is equal to first node, 2 equal to second node name comes here, 3 is equal to, 4 is equal to, and if I have 5 nodes, then 5 is equal to something. So I specify the name NMOS here, dot model, NMOS, module name. This will be followed by the parameters. So W, L, and so on. So now we'll see what to paste here. So for this particular tutorial, I'll be using this BCMG code. So whichever code you want to use, you can download it. You need to have a Verilog A file. So this has 5 files here, which includes binning, body, SP, and common definitions file. So this is the main file which will be in turn calling upon all the remaining files. So we are not bothered with that. We need this Verilog A file. So see, it calls the other files and here it is mentioned the thing for our interest, module, module name, followed by the node names. So we have drain, front gate, source, back gate, and thermal node. Then there are further definitions for input output nodes, electrical nodes, thermal node, and branches. So we need this module name. So I copy this and paste it here. I'm sorry, module name will come here. So this is bsim img. Now this Verilog A file. So I need to copy it from here. So the path will be copied and the ICCAP DUT will be able to locate it. So this is the complete path for the Verilog A file we want to use for this purpose. Now this name could be anything, but this and this needs to be similar. So this kind of establishes a mapping and the module name here in this file and this needs to be mapped perfectly well. So otherwise some error will come and yes, in case some error comes, so you have this debugger, open simulation debugger. So the errors will be coming here. So output file will come here and whatever error or warnings you will be encountering, so that will be also displayed here. So in place of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to put the node names. So we have D, F, G, S, B, G, T. So here comes D, F, G, S, B, G, and T. So now we have this written. If we parse here, so at line 6, we have some error. Since we haven't specified the values of the parameters we have put up in the DUT working area. So in place of W, we can maybe keep some 15 nanometer, 15 nanometers. In place of length, we can have maybe 30 nanometers. So there is some error. Okay. So that space was the reason. So now we don't have any error. This is the parse option. So once you have done this, you can just simply click parse and these parameters which you see here. So this will be visible in the DUT parameter section. So WL 50, 30. So this is the original values you have used and these values will be the current updated values. So once during the later stages of this demonstration, I will be showing you the optimization process, the parameter extraction process. So during that, when you will be tuning the parameters, you will be most probably coming with some parameter values which are different from the original ones you had initially mentioned here. So suppose maybe there is a work function which is by default you have mentioned here 4.5, but during the parameter extraction process, you might have come up with a value of work function as 4.55. So here it will be 4.5, but the updated value is 4.55. So for that work function, you will have displayed here 4.5. So this working area could be understood in this way. So now we have this DUT sorted. Now for this DUT, we will create multiple setups. So now proceeding with that step, I will show you how to create setups in this DUT. So before that, I will show you how to save this. So you have this MDL. So this is the format in which ICCAP saves the files .mdl. So I, I'll see where to save this. here is demo1.mdl. So now we have this path and the file name is demo1.mdl. We'll save this. And now in the further modules of this demo, I'll show you how to create further setups for this particular DUT.